Hey, welcome back, fruits and vegetables. I'm Banana Peel, and as you can see, we are going back to the deeper side of the glacial area. In the last episode, we caught, I honestly forgot his name, but I think it was the witch fish or something like that. It's pretty close. I'm not sure whether it's the witch or not. But yeah, let's just speed through these waves. Let's try to use as much nets as possible, catch whatever possible. Yeah, I really need to get through these waves really quick because all the new fishes in the deeper side usually occur in wave 8 or wave 9. So yeah, let's just keep doing this. Yeah, let's just stall everybody with fishes, I mean with food, and try to catch as many as possible. Yeah, that was a good haul. We got to wave 3 with that. Jellyfishes, only 3 is not really worth catching, but I really did it because I really need to fast forward these waves. Mechanical fish, try to catch it. Airfish, definitely. Okay, yeah, so we have 411,000. That is the Frankenstein fish. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's there, I guess. It's there in the playlist. You just gotta search for the thumbnail, I guess. Okay, yeah, it is wave 4. Not looking as good as I really would, you know, wanted to, I guess. Yeah, it is wave 4. We are not doing too well, honestly. Yeah, we are kind of in a pickle. It's kind of complex. What can I say? I mean, oh, we run out of food as well. Okay, okay. Let's just do this. Let's catch a bunch of these fishes, airfish, jellyfish, whatever, dude. Let's just keep this going. We are in wave number 5. We are doing really good with oxygen. Yeah, we can actually catch some fishes. Why not? Just to adapt to the farming, I guess. By the way, guys, you guys do not see my farming. It takes a lot of time, a lot of dedication, and stuff like that. But whatever, dude. Nobody likes to see farming anyway, right? Okay, let's go. Let's attack all these squids. Let's get that jellyfish. Let's get the airfish. We are on wave 6. We are doing good with oxygen. It is the breeding season if you are wondering why so many fishes are there today. So yeah guys, today since it is the breeding season, we will try to catch as much fishes in this deeper side as we possibly can. We have caught that fish, this guy, in the last episode. Yeah, I was actually kind of scared about that because there was a jellyfish close to that, so I really did not want to catch that squid, but it got me, I guess. Okay, we are in wave number 8. We have caught the gazer, we have caught the witch fish, I guess. There is a lot more fishes to this than I've ever even thought about it. Okay, that was a huge sound, but whatever, dude. We are in 19% oxygen, not looking too good. That's bad, that's really bad. 11k, let's go. We got a new jellyfish, guys. Yeah, that was good. Since I actually caught the jellyfish with him. Yeah, I guess we could do this. Yeah, there you go. That's a second new fish, guys. We will try to catch as many new fishes as possible. Yeah, see, this is another guy which I've never caught before. Hello? I've never even caught this guy before. What is he? Oh, he's the witch guy. I've already caught him before. Okay, oh no. Okay, guys, we caught as many fishes as we possibly could. It was a really good haul. If you ask me, it was a really great haul. We caught 3 new fishes, guys, and let's go read about them, shall we? Okay, yeah, there's nothing in the mail today. Let's go to Fisherpedia, I guess, the deeper side of the glacial area. We have 81% completed the glacial area. So today we have caught the Jiangxi fish, okay? He's worth $3,812. A dead fish that has become undead through magic. If you catch it, don't let it be trapped on earth anymore. Send it to heaven. Let's send it to heaven, shall we? Okay, yeah, next is the wolfie fish. It is $4,005. It's a little bit more than the Jiangxi fish. Sorry about that. It is a fish that hunts in groups, attacking its prey with strong teeth. It mates for life. I mean, honestly, when I saw this fish, it was not roaming with groups, so yeah, that's kind of wrong information actually. But whatever, dude. we have got the skull muffler jellyfish. He's worth $2,000. A newly discovered jellyfish. It's believed to have a huge amount of electricity inside its body. Honestly, it really did not matter because my cat really runs on electricity. It's basically kind of a robot, but whatever. Okay, guys, hope you guys had fun. I did, surely, definitely. I will see all you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye.